Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday, TGIF. And what a week it has been. It's also Labor Day weekend, this weekend. Last night was date night here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Robin came over to an aroma of beautiful Mexican food. Chicken quesadillas was on the menu. It was really good. I used a combination of my asada seasoning blend, my ancho and pasilla chili blend, and a few other little things. They're all in the notes in the recipe. The recipe is truly guidelines, period. Which leads me to tonight. Being Friday, it's Pasta Friday. But this has got a twist. Not Italian. Not even close. Tonight, I am doing a pork and veggie stir fry over noodles. Or with noodles. Let's get to it. It's a walk night. Yes, the champion is out. All right, we've got some what they call country ribs, which is a nice cut of pork. It's nice and tender. And this is another guideline night. Red onion, a little bit of oil for the champion, garlic, bird's eye chilies, also known as Thai chilies, red bell pepper left over from last night, yellow bell pepper left over from last night, frozen peas. Now, one thing that's not represented here because I forgot to buy them last Friday is carrots. So there'll be some carrots involved. Udon noodles, kosher salt, black pepper. And I'll figure out the sauce or spices later. Like I said, this is a guideline meal. I might do a sauce. I might do a combination of herbs and spices. I don't know yet. We'll see. We'll find out when I do prep. All right, so on this TGIF, before that, stay cool. According to Mr. Bob Harlan's weather report this morning, mid to upper 90s, possibly early 100s over the weekend here in Sutter County, California. All right, so TGIF, have a great day, have a great weekend. Eat great food and have fun cooking.